Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margaon, Vasco and Porvorim.
चिंबलचो हिस्ट्री शेल्टर विशाल गोलतकाराच्या खुनाची केस ओल्ड गोवा पोलिसांनी रेकॉर्ड टायमा भितर सोडयली. 10 वरां भितर दुबावीत आरोपींक धरले. साई कुंडयकार उर्फ कोब्रा सयत 5 जाणांक धरले. अमय वळवयकार ह्या पुलिसाकूय धरला. पुलीस सांगता गँग वॉर ना, विशाल खंय दुबाविताक पिट्टालो म्हूण खून.
The team under PI Satish and Sudesh have taken into custody 5 people in connection with murder of Vishal Collector. Sai alias Cobra, son of Tulsidas Kandekar, age 30 years. Omkar, son of Pandurang Chari, 19 years. Gauresh, son of Narayan Gawas, 25 years. Tushar, son of Tulsidas Kundekar, age 38 years, and we have apprehended 1 juvenile also in connection with this case. From the interrogation of the accused, what they divulged is Chari and Cobra alias Sai were the main accused. The prime accused is Sai alias Cobra.
मजगती 5 दुबावितांक 7 दीस पुलीस कस्टडी दिल्या. ह्या 5 बरोबर एक अल्पवयीन धरला, ताका अपना घरान धाडला. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.